everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Olivia Ko. Please subscribe to my channel and click the thumbs up sign if you like my videos. Today we're going to unbox the I bought two kinds of acrylic containers, one at Daiso and the other one at Landers. So we're gonna unbox it and put things on them. So maybe it's an organizer, so maybe we can organize my table. My dresser now is so messy, so we're going to try to organize it. If I can organize it, I'll show you my messy table now. This is my messy table now. Yan. A lot of things there. Okay, we're going to organize it. This is the first one. This one. I bought this one at Daiso. Yan. Let's open it. Here. I forgot I bought this for how much. It's not 88. Maybe it's 100 something. Let's open it. It's acrylic brush holder to put my brush there. When you open it, it's only plastic. Here. Here's the acrylic. Yeah. It's like two cups. Yeah. And they're connected together. I'm going to put my brush there. Okay, wait. These are all my brushes. Let's put it here. And my eyeliners, I put it there too. And some more brushes. Okay, looks good here, right? So it's easier if I'm going to use them. Before these brushes, I put it in a pencil case. They're just there. And the other one, I'm gonna put the medicine for pimples or something there. Here. Put it there. This one, I bought it the other day in Landers. There. And there's two drawers here. It's on sale. It's $3.75, I think. Okay, let's open it. Yeah, that's the inside. And there's one layer. Maybe you put the lipsticks here. Okay, we'll try it later. Ah! And they're together. Here, there's two drawers. And there's that one. I don't know what that is, what that's for. And there's two drawers. Okay, we'll try to put my makeup here if they will fit. Okay, let's try. I'm going to put some of the stuff here, and stuff here in the pencil case. Pencil case has my makeups and the brushes and some brushes for when I go out. Yeah. Okay. So this is I have this one, my sunblock, put it there, and my CC cream, and And my old BB cream. I have to finish them all off already because they're so old now. And I have another sunblock. Yeah, sunblock. Put it there. Kasya pa ba? Yeah. And lipstick. Lipstick, I put it here. Another lipstick so it won't get lost. Oh, I have another BB cream here. Put it there. Okay. Nice. Lipstick. And what else? Makeup. And this is my blush on and my eyeshadow. Okay, we'll put it here in the drawer. What else? Eyeshadow there. I have, oh, here. Oh, other lipstick. Put it there. Other lipstick. I have a lot of lipstick. Powders. Eyeshadow. I think I have to separate the eyeshadows and the blush ons. Maybe down on the second layer or the blush on. And eyeshadow here. Lipstick more. Blush on. So, wala nang laman. I have these. The brushes are here. And no more. I think I have to wash that. Here, what's here? Oh, mascara. Where will I put the mascara? I think there. Okay, some more eyeliner. There na lang. Eyeshadow. Here. Okay. It's good. This one. Hindi na kasya? Yeah. Kasya pa. Ito makalat pa rin. Oh. And this too. I think I have to put it inside. Right? Here. Inside. There. And I have to fix this one. That's for my skincare. Oh, these are the usually used ones. I usually use this one. All the other things here I don't use. I use them, but not that regularly. Okay. This one, where will I put this one? Oh, where will I put this one? Oh, I think I have to put it here. Sige, lipat, lipat, lipat dyan. I think this one I put it out. Powder. Yeah. And BB cream there and one. Yeah, I think that's good. That's what happened. So I fix it. It's maayos now. I don't know if it will last for how many days or how many weeks until my next fixing it up. Fixing up my mess. Okay. Okay, I fixed my things now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. I have my Japan travel vlogs, and I have my local domestic vlogs. There's Dumaguete, there's Batanes. Yeah, don't forget to watch them. If you watch don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the thumbs up sign if you like my videos. and click the notification bell. Bye! Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!